Hi everyone, this is Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Sia, and I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am gonna give you 10 tips, English tips to help your English and you get fluency in easily. Okay friend, so listen this video carefully because it's a very important if you really want to learn this language. Okay, so first point is that practice and consistency. Yes, you heard it right. Practice is very important. You know that four pillar of learn this language. Practice, reading, writing and listening. Okay? You follow four pillar and you get fluency. But sometimes we forget reading, writing and listening, but don't forget practice because our main motto is speak this language. Okay, sometimes we are busy and then we not have sufficient time to do such thing like listening practice, like listening and reading and writing, but don't forget practice. Okay, practice every single day. If you have lots of time, so it's a very good thing, but if you not have so much time, so practice like a 5 minute in a day, it's sufficient if you learn this language, and then you get improve. Okay, and you get fluency easily. When we are beginner, at that time we are not understand that practice is important or not. You follow four pillar and you get fluency easily, but it's not sufficient. Second point is that immerse yourself in English. How you immerse yourself in English? Everyone run their mobile phone every day. Okay, and we seen lots of video, but if we use our mobile phone in a productive way, so we learn so many things sitting on our home. We don't need to go other town and learn there, because nowadays we learn so much thing in our mobile phone. So use your mobile phone in productive way. How you learn your mobile phone in productive way? Okay, whatever movie you watch English. TV shows, watch in English. Reading books, watch English books. Okay, totally immerse yourself in English, because we are learn this language, and if we not have environment, so how we learn this language if we not immerse ourselves in English? Okay, if we have environment, so there is no need to do practice, because 24/7 we speak this language. So why we do such kind of thing? But if we not have environment and everyone speak our native language, so at that time we must immerse ourselves in English. Okay, and you can do like you speak with native speaker. It's helpful for you to improve your English. If you do some mistake, so they correct us. Okay, don't think that how people correct us. I'm speak with native speaker, and if they correct me, so how can people correct me? I am good at English and I'm not do mistake. Okay, don't think like this. Okay, because they are speak their childhood. Okay, their native speaker, and if correct us, so you can think that if I'm doing mistake, that's why they correct us. Okay, so focus on that area. Third thing is that focus on your pronunciation. Okay, sometimes what happen with us, we speak this language, and if we do practice it at alone our home, so at that time we are not aware of how to pronunciation of words, and if we speak with native speaker, so they correct us that we are not speak this word correctly. Okay, so if you focus on your pronunciation, So you are speak any kind of word in a correct way, because correct word is very important. One word, suppose like you speak any kind of word, so there is so many other meaning one word. Okay, so focus on your pronunciation. I'm listening so many video, and almost so many people mistake on their pronunciation. They are not speak word correctly, and the sentence meaning going to be different. Okay, so focus on your pronunciation, so you are improve slowly. You are not improve suddenly, but slowly. Understand three rule. Okay, fourth rule is that build your vocabulary is also very important. Suppose you know English very well and you speak this language, but if you not have vocabulary, so how you express your thought, how to speak any kind of topic, if we not have sufficient vocabulary? So vocabulary also very important. Okay, we listen so many time, and I'm also speak that four pillar of this language, like listening, practice, reading, writing. It's important, but we forget other thing is also very important. So build your vocabulary. Every day you learn 10 vocabulary. Okay, and how you learn vocabulary? You think that I'm learn 10 vocabulary and I am increasing my vocabulary, but it's not happened. Why? Because it's a habit of our mind that forgetting. Okay, if I learn today and next day I'm learn something different, so I forget. So how you learn like a repeating mode. If you learn today, tomorrow also repeat the same thing. And remember, using in a sentence vocabulary, make sentence. You learn different kind of words, so make sentence based on the vocabulary, so you remember that this word meaning is that. Okay, if we not make sentence, so we forget. So learn in an active mode and make sentences. Okay friend, then you are get fluency in this language. Point, improve your grammar and sentence structure. Okay, we listen so many times that if you learn this language, so there is no need to learn grammar. But if you not learn grammar, so you take so much time, like 1 year, 2 year, then you speak this language. But if you learn grammar, I'm not telling you that you learn all the grammar rule. No my friend, don't learn every rule of grammar. Why? Because if you learn every rule of grammar, so you create confusion in your mind, and then we are not get fluency, and then we think that this language is very tough, I'm not learn this language, because it's very hard to remember those grammar rule. How could you learn this language? Listen this, learn basic grammar, and if you make sentences, so remember that how to make sentence based on grammar. If we not learn base of grammar, so we do so many mistake, but we aware of basic rule of grammar. So at that time when we speak and we make any kind of sentence, at that time we understand that this is the past tense, this is the future, this is a present tense. Okay, and it's a very important to learn basic grammar. If we learn basic grammar, so we speak this language easily, because we aware that how where use this kind of tense. Okay, I'm listen so many video that grammar is not important, but friend, please listen to me and focus on basic grammar. 7 point, using language learning app. Okay, in online so much app available, and you can download it and you practice with other people. Okay, because it's a very good thing for us. Okay, because we are not going to other town, we are not join coaching classes if we not have sufficient money, and we not have time. Okay, if you are worker and you are not have time, so use your mobile phone in productive way. I'm seeing so many people including me, whatever I'm learn this about this language only by using my mobile phone, using my mobile phone in a productive way. So you also download some English application and use your mobile phone. Okay, sometimes we are not practice with other people and we think that whatever I'm speak correct or not. So you speak with app, they correct our grammar mistake, they learn that how to make sentence. Okay, how to use grammar in correct way, and there is so many people available that they also practice. So if we speak with them, so our practice is also good. And if we do practice every single day, then we habitual to use the application. We scared that if I'm download some application, so how I'm communicate with people, we that I'm practicing sometime after, and then we start again. At that time we realize that I'm not learn anything, maybe I am forget things. What I'm learn I don't remember. Why? Because we are not follow our consistency, because consistency is also very important. Don't scare that we are not follow such kind of thing, because it's important. Sometime after, if you do practice every single day, so this language is very easy. Some 6 point is that whenever you get time, engage yourself in conversation, English conversation. Okay, because if we speak with other people, so our confidence level also increase. Okay, if you are beginner, so at that time you record your video and see that where you do mistake, and practice with in front of mirror. Okay, if you are beginner, but if you cross some level like 5 months, 6 months, you have completed, at that time it's very important to practice with other people. So whatever time you have, you speak with other people. When you speak with other people, so your conversation is smooth. Okay, and if you do mistakes, so they correct us, because they are also, if you speak with native speaker, it's a good thing. But if you speak with other people, so their practice is also going on. Okay, if you not have time and you think that I'm not practice enough 6 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, so you speak with other people. We speak so many people on call, so you use your time in productive way. My main motto is that using time in productive while learning this language. Don't waste your time. Okay, because if we waste our time, then we start again, because it's a language. And if we forget, we are taken for granted. I think that my main motto is speak this language. Don't forget while learning this language, don't forget rubbish thing. Okay, if you learn this language, it's a good thing. If you not learn this language, people not tell you anything. Okay, and if you learn this language, people appreciate you. So focus on your English journey. Is read loudly. Okay, you listen this, learn English book, but how you learn, you aware of this. Okay, whatever you learn, read loudly. Don't think that if I am speak, so what people think about me. People don't understand your language. People only laugh at you and forget those kind of things, because it's a people habit that whatever they see new things, so people laugh because they are not know about that kind of benefit, that what is the benefit of this language. And you are educated person, you understand that what is the power of education. Okay, we are not doing bad thing, we doing education, we inspire other people. And if we doing like this kind of thing, so why we shy doing anything? So don't shy, don't feel hesitate, whatever you do in this language, doing freely. So whatever you learn, reading loudly English book. Okay, and if you learn, and most importantly, how you learn English book, learn like a 2 page in 3 times. Okay, don't think that I am complete this book and I'm jump in other book, I'm reading second book. Don't. One book you read 3 times. If you read 2 page in a day, so 2 page read in 3 times. Okay friend, so I hope you understand 8 point. 10 point is that be patient and persistence. Okay, because patience is very important, and celebrate your small kind of achievement. Okay, if you complete your 1 month, celebrate. If you complete your 6 month, so celebrate your 6 month. Okay, if you learn like this, so you feel not demotivated. Okay, because while learning this language, so many time this kind of time come that we feel demotivated, that I am giving my 6 months 7 months, but I'm not get fluency in this language, because it's a language and everyone mind working on different ways. So many people, they learn this language in a 1 month 2 months, and so many takes time like 1 year 2 year. So don't think that I am learn this language very easily and very fast way. If you learn like this, so we are not learn this language in our whole life. So patience is very important. You have patience, so you learn this language. It's a language, you are not going to learn like a fast way, and no one tell you that you speak this language in front of us. Okay, so it's a take time. If you learn this language slowly, it's a good thing. One day you get fluency, you remember this kind of thing, that I am get fluency in one day. Okay, so patience is very important in this. 10 point is that stay motivated. Okay, because if you seen other people, they how they do in their life, so you are positive that I'm also get this kind of achievement. I'm seen so many people, only this language they achieve this that kind of level, and they speak very good, people appreciate. And like a woman, they speak very good English. I'm seeing so many people nowadays, they learn this language and they achieve so many things. People invited them, and they appreciate people that only you, other women inspire only by you. And they belong to rural area, and they're doing so many big things. Okay, only learn this language. So you seen this kind of people, that I'm also achieve that kind of goal, and only by English I am improving other people. I am inspire other ladies, they do something their life, who cannot do go out other down and they not doing anything in their life, so they learn this language and they're doing so many things in their life. So if you stay positive, so you also learn this language. Okay friends, so I hope you like it. 10 point to learn this language, it's a very important. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you then please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel.